I wanted to tell y'all, I did not edit this vlog, so if any mistakes happen, please just ignore it. And I only put the intro, and then yeah, peace. Yeah, peace. Peace. Hey YouTube, it's Amari here from the Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And today I'm vlogging. So I'm at my dad's doctor appointment, and we're about to bring Adonis. Adonis is asleep, so we're gonna put some water. I drink some water on his cheeks. You guys, we're closing up and we're gonna bring him. Oh shoot. No, that's mine. Hold this. Are you mad? What? Are you mad? No, shut up. He's mad now. No, he's mad now. Are you mad, Adonis?
Shut up.
You want some water?
Yeah.
You want some water?
Another two.
Sit down, Allie. Sit down. Adonis said you mad. You not mad?
Why shut your mouth?
You mad, y'all?
He's truly mad. Nolly. Your hair is truly white.
No, what is it? My hair is not white, you guys. He's stupid right now. Y'all,
I know.
I'll be back when I'm in the car.
Holding an apple.
Hey, so I'm in the car.
The good news is, you ever get tired, you can use it as a kickstand. Oh, yeah. I think we both know who the real brains is behind this operation.
So we are now downtown. We're downtown going to look at my dad's studio, I think. I don't know, but I'll see when we get there. I just got correct news. We're going to this restaurant or somewhere to eat first. So, yeah. We're going to this restaurant or some place to eat for lunch, you guys. For lunch and with my dad's friend. So, see when we go. We're in a place. I'm about to get my soup. They sell good soup. And but we gotta get in line. Chicken noodle soup. Right here. So I'll see you outside. We are outside. Eating. Shout out. We're eating soup and some bread. Shout out to can y'all see, you know? Shout out to Devon and Blakey. This store is the best. It's good but hot. Good hot. I'ma just let my soup cool off. Sometimes when you eat it with the bread, it makes it a little better, but I don't really like the bread that much, so.
I don't like the bread with the soup, but I like it without.
They have some different noodles. It's weird.
But the chicken is good, but you can't find it. You have to like find it.
Yeah, the chicken is like deep in here. It's so much oh sorry. It might stop the recording. But yeah, it stopped. But I have so much noodles. They're good though.
Look.
The corn is the carrots are the carrots is nasty. Shout out.
That's some chicken, you guys. That's some chicken.
That's the chicken. But shout out to them because they are good. I really like their soup, but
yeah, you need to put the chicken on the top.
it is so nice out here.
Let's have some more chicken. It's on the side.
Ugh. It is nice out here. I am downtown. It's very noisy. We're downtown. What? What about it? Right here? Oh, I don't care. Nobody will see. Can y'all see that? Well, y'all won't know because y'all just looking at my beautiful face. But,
Bye, guys.
but I almost dropped the camera.
Well, we'll see you when we get to the dance studio. Bye.
I don't think it's a dance studio.
I mean fitness.
We'll see you when we get to the studio.
Bye.
So I am home. I didn't want to waste storage and record the whole what's the face? What's it called? The whole tour. But I did take pictures. I found out if I might put them up, I might not. But yeah, we're about to do a video, so be on the lookout for that video. And yeah, peace. So guys, that vlog from yesterday, I forgot to end it, but this is the end. Subscribe and like for more videos. Peace out.
Bye.